I want to stress one point, Josh, and we were talking about this earlier this week.
Yep.
Whenever you design a database, and whenever you try to whenever you want to make the decision, which database am I choosing? Am I choosing a relational database? Am I going for a NoSQL database? Which one am I going for? A key value store or white column store or a document store? Always try to go at it from what are my access patterns? How am I going to access my data? Josh, for instance, uses a credit card transaction data set. And we said, okay, how does the customer usually query the data? So let's say you have a front end. What's going to happen? Usually the data is going to queried by the customer. You will go by date ranges. Maybe they say, okay, last 2 months, the amount of the transaction, or maybe a merchant that the data is getting accessed by that. And then when you do the selection, when you try to figure out, okay, which database am I going with, you do the schema design and you try to incorporate that into your schema design. Can I index the data the right way? Would it actually work that I have access for the merchant, or that I can filter by the merchant, and so on? Thinking about the access patterns, this will help you a lot in this step of making a decision. So with Josh, we were actually looking into key value store, where we said, okay, this would not work because we couldn't really use the transaction amount or the merchant for a access pattern with key values. So then you immediately see, okay, this might not be the right thing. So keep this in mind. Access patterns are very important. Thinking about what do I want to do with the data and how is the data going to be queried.